Magandang hapon po ng December 14, 2023 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng December 14, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, December 14, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 14, 2023 Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 280 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Thursday, December 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for December 14, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.